open Google Chrome and then search for Windows Server 2016, and then scroll down a bit until you see this one, Windows Server 2016, and then click this 64-byte edition, and then it will proceed to your download. So first, open new tab and search for file repo, VirtualBox. Click this one and then click the green one, download the latest version for Windows, and then wait it for the download to finish.
After finish the download, click on the file that you just download. And then VirtualBox will pop up. And then click next. And then click on I accept the terms of agreement. And then click next. Click next again. Yes. Next. And install. So just wait for it to finish install. This might take a while, so you just need to wait for it. So it's almost done. And it's already installed. Click on finish. So this is the VirtualBox manager. Click on new and then click VM name and then type in Windows 2016. When you're done, click finish, and then this is the details of Windows 2016. So go down and click on optical drive and then choose a disk file. Click on it and then pick this file that we downloaded earlier and then click start. After that, just wait for it to finish downloading. This part may take a while, so just wait to finish loading. So here you go, Windows 2016. And then click install now, and as you can see, the setup is starting. And there are 4 options here on Windows setup. Click on the second option, which is Windows Server 2016 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. Click on that one, and then after you click it, click on next, and then accept the license terms. Click next again, and then choose custom install Windows only, and then click new and go to size. You can put any number you want, but for this one I put 31440 and then click apply. click OK, and there will be 3 options. Click on the third one and then click new, and then click apply, and then click next, and just wait for it to finish installing. Just wait for it to finish. Wait for it to finish downloading. So just wait for it to finish installing. This part may take a while, so just wait. In this case, you can click on restart now to restart faster, or you can just wait for the screen. And the window logo will pop up. Wait for it to finish loading. It's almost done now. This will pop up, and just put your password as usual, and then re-enter your password. Click finish, and then click on input, keyboard, insert Ctrl-Alt-Delete, and put your password again as usual. And wait again. And you're done. Next is set time zone to Malaysian time. First, click on settings, and then you click on time and language. As you can see, the time is set as US and Canada, so turn off the set time automatically and click time zone and search for Kuala Lumpur, Singapore. Once you found it, click on that and click on set time zone automatically to turn it on, and also set time automatically on.
So first you click the search bar and then you search system information, then click the search system information, and then there you go, you have all the information that you want. So first you click the
First, we go to search and then search for computer management. Click that one and then go to this management. Actually, I have deleted the one I want to shrink volume about, so I just will show how to shrink volume like this and then shrink. So this is the one I already shrink volume. Next. So this is, you can choose any letter you want, but I'm just choose D, and then click next, and finish. You have already the new volume. So if you want to see the one that we created just now, just go to File Explorer and click this PC, and that is the new volume that we just created.
Click on search windows and then type change work group name. Click on it and then click change, and then go to work group and type in IMD163 and click OK. And there you go, you already have changed it. And then click close and restart now to restart your computer. This process might take a while to finish loading, but just wait. So it's almost done loading. And it's done loading. Click on input keyboard and insert control, and then put your password as usual, and then go back to search windows and search for control panel, and then click system and security and search for system. Click on it, and as you can see, the work group has changed to IMD163.
Okay, firstly you need to click Windows and open setting, click account and then other people. Add someone else's PC and click users. More under the users, click more action and new users again. Under the username you put your name, such as like Shahira, and your full name. And then the description we put IMD163 and create. Then close, click users, and your file has been created.
Click the start button and then open settings, and then click update and security, and then click check for updates, and then we wait for it. For this, the Windows update information. First, click the start button and then open settings, and then click up.
So under the window we click File Explorer, okay, and then click Document, and then click Share With. So there are yourself and specific people, and then we will choose Shaira Shazlin, and then click yes, share this item.
Now in this part of the video, Task Manager is demonstrated. First, Task Manager is open to monitor the system. This can be done by pressing Ctrl-Shift-ASC on the keyboard. After Task Manager opens, we can see the list of running application and background process. This helps us identify which programs are currently active on the system. Next, the performance section is shown. Here we can monitor CPU usage, memory usage, disk activity, and network performance. This information is important to check whether the system is running normally or experiencing high usage. If an application is not responding, Task Manager can be used to end the task. This helps prevent system lag and improves overall system performance.
Okay, firstly you need to click Windows and open setting, click account and then other people. Add someone else's PC and click users. More under the users, click more action and new users again. Under the username you put your name, such as like Shahira, and your full name. And then the description we put IMD163 and create. Then close, click users, and your file has been created. Okay, firstly you need to click Windows and open.
In conclusion, this video explains the complete process of server installation and maintenance. It highlights the importance of proper installation, regular maintenance, and continuous monitoring. Tools like Task Manager helps administrators monitor system performance and solve problems efficiently. Overall, understanding this step helps ensure that a server remains stable, secure, and performs well in supporting users and organizational operation.